Yes, Pipa, darling.
Right.
Mga 5 minutes na yan nakatingin sa akin. Naghahanap ng mga treat. Come on. You stay with me, sweetheart. No, Pipa, come here. Hello, so mic test. This is a voiceover mga palangga. Nag-insert na ako dito ng picture. Ito yung movie na sinasabi ko sa inyo nung last vlog na nagpaiyak talaga sa akin. So, I hope mapanood nyo, panoorin nyo po kasi maganda talaga yung movie. Hindi naman ako nagpo-promote, pero maganda lang yung movie. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Panoorin nyo and I hope it touches your heart. Papaliguan sana namin yung aso pero nagbago yung isip namin. Han, close the door.
No, I can circulate the air.
Okay. So, nagbago yung isip namin. Hindi na lang namin sila papaliguan. We're just having a lunch.
What are we having for lunch?
I don't know.
Brunch crew is.
What is that?
Lunchtime.
Don't say that. Oy. Smells so good.
Pandy.
Ito siya mga palangga. Nag-slow cook tayo ng pork. Yan. Yung ano niya, temperature is high. So, nilagay ko siya 10 o'clock. So, ngayon is 11:21 na ng umaga.
2 hours later.
Hindi pa luto yung meat. So, never mind. Right, titikman ko muna. Yung nilagay ko pala, nilagyan ko siya ng pineapple juice, a bit of tomato sauce, a bit of soy sauce, and a can of Sprite. Nilagyan ko din siya ng red onion. And nilagyan ko din siya ng 5 spice. So good. Tamang-tama yung timpla mga palangga. Nakakagutom yung amoy niya kasi sobrang bango talaga. And later on, papunta siguro kami sa mama niya para maghatid ng rhubarb and then, yun na, chill-chill lang. I am so glad mga palangga na wala na akong headache. So, we're going to Mama.
We've got a ring to see if she's in.
Yeah. So, ito yung suot ko.
She should be.
She should be. So, bibigyan namin siya ng rhubarb and ibibigay namin ito. Yung nakalimutan kong ilagay sa grocery bag niya. Ang bango-bango talaga. Honey, smells so good, sweetheart. The fruit is in the taste. Do I really need to call the doctor tomorrow? I don't have a headache now, hon. Completely. Nothing. Huh?
What do you think, Mum?
I don't know. I mean, I feel like there's no point.
You're alright.
Yeah, this is it. I feel like there's no point mga palangga na I will call the doctor tomorrow and explain and they cannot do anything about it because I don't have headache.
It's gone, that's it.
Yeah. Hindi ko muna tatawagan yung doctor tomorrow. Let's see na lang kung babalik siya. Yan na talaga. Yan na yung oras na kailangan ko nang magpa-check up. Loy, medyo malamig man, oy. Bakit ba ito yung suot ko? Madali lang kasi akong lamigin. No strawberry yet. Yeah, they're getting there. Mahangin this last few days mga palangga. Kaya ayun, tingnan nyo.
Roll that one off there.
There's a lot of...
See, you can't, that's no good. It's got to come off because it's broken. You
It's
see.
broken.
Yeah, see, that's a good piece.
Oh, that's a good one, sweet. That one as well. Can I pull one?
Well,
I want to try this one. Oh.
no, you can take that one. But it's, well, they'll grow more yet with them.
Ah.
See, new shoots coming through, look.
Kinalbo na namin.
That's not good, that, look, yeah, it's not. It's bad inside, look.
Yeah.
Right, that's it, don't pick any more. No, leave them to grow then. That's not good.
No good? What's wrong with them?
They're trying to holler inside.
Oh.
You get some apple rhubarb, it's called.
Apple
Yeah,
rhubarb.
it's really sweet. Sweeter than this.
Is it?
Mm.
Okay. Right, shall we?
Yeah.
No, I don't think so as well,
What's
sweetheart.
in here, carrots?
That's a parsnips.
Right.
That's a carrot.
Yeah, well, they're not grown because you know what they look like anyway.
Yeah.
These are just weeds.
Yeah, they're weed. Tingnan nyo yan mga palangga. Namatay siya. Yung dahon niya ba?
Wind.
Yeah, because of the wind.
Yeah.
So I don't think so we'll have a
Apple.
apple.
Yeah, we will. We're still here. We're still on.
They're still on?
Yeah.
Yeah, sort of.
Right, go on, let's do one.
Yeah, let's go.
Ring her, actually.
What if she's not in?
Well, why would she be out? She's told to stay home.
They're cutting the grass, mga loves. I don't know if you can see it. Yan. We're here. Look.
It's very dangerous, that dog. Right, come on, fetch your good dog. Come on.
He's enjoying the ice cream. He only bought one. Look.
Don't give me that. They don't have one.
Yeah, this flavor, they only have one. They have a chocolate. This is a new flavor from Magnum, so we have to try it. And yun. Nandito pa din kami sa harapan ng Spar Shop. Nasa bahay na tayo mga palangga. And binigyan kami ng 2 can ni Bianan. It's called Royal Game Soup. So I think this is like a beef soup. Yeah, I think so mga palangga. Never ko pa itong na-try, itong brand na to. So it will be exciting.
Right, I'm going to go get a
So
chair.
is this like a beef soup, sweetheart?
It's mixed
Sort
game,
of.
it'll be venison and different.
Oh.
There's actually nothing wrong with it.
Is it?
Right, okay.
Well, I don't know, but yeah, she gave this. So anyway, 4 o'clock na dito, and yan ang mga palangga. Oh, it's so mwah. It smells so good. Nagugutom na ako. Magra-rice kami. Itatry natin ngayon yung ating exotic juice. Ano kaya ang lasa? Masarap kaya? Magustuhan kaya ni Mr. We're
What
having
fruit?
exotic fruit.
Food.
You.
I might not like it.
Try it first.
Yes, alright.
It's okay? Try natin. Try natin. I like that. Mas masarap siya kaysa sa apple and mango combination na juice. ito na yung meat. Yan. So, kukunin na natin yung mga strap niya. Strap talaga. Ito, oh. Meron siyang ganito para design siya to keep the meat. To keep the meat together. Oop. Sobrang tender ng pork, mga palangga. Yan. Ah! On my meat, please. So, ito na yung finished product, mga palangga. Yan.
Thank you.
Kain. Kain muna kami.
Don't need.
Wow, it's so masarap.
Whatever. Just eat.
I have spoke too soon, mga palangga. Diba, sabi ko sa inyo kanina na hindi na sumasakit yung ulo ko. Hindi ko na tatawagan yung doktor kasi yun na nga, mas prefer nila na mas pag pumupunta ka sa appointment, ng doctor's appointment, mas prefer nila na yung mga symptoms nandoon pa din. You're still experiencing the symptoms. Pero ngayon, bumalik yung headache ko. Sobrang sakit. It is a throbbing headache dito sa back ng head ko. Yung parang pumipitik-pitik siya ba? Yung sakit. So, magtatanggal lang ako ng makeup. Hindi naman ako nag-makeup. Nag-powder lang. Then tapos, nag-eyeliner actually ako. Some of you were saying that I could be dehydrated. But I don't think so na dehydrated ako kasi lately talaga umiinom ako ng maraming tubig kasi yun na nga, baka din dehydrated ako pero I don't think so. I've been taking a lot of fluid. My fluid intake is very good and palagi na lang ako nagto-toilet kasi palagi na lang ako umiinom, mga every half an hour siguro nagto-toilet ako dahil na nga, palagi na lang akong umiinom or marami akong iniinom. So, I don't think so I am dehydrated. So, tatawagan ko yung doctor tomorrow. Pero, meron lang ako parang second thoughts or doubt ba na makakuha kaya ako ng appointment tomorrow kasi of what's been going on, mga palangga. Nililimit na nila ang pagsisin ng mga patients. Ang iba dito, ang ginagawa nila is they are like arranging a video call to see your patients. But, like for example, me, okay, sasabihin nila, I don't know what they've been doing sa surgery namin dito. I don't know what they've been doing or I don't know what's their infection control policy. I really don't know. Pero, for instance lang ha, sasabihin nila, okay, we will book you an appointment tomorrow, pero video call. I don't think so it will work kasi some of you din nagsuggest baka yung blood pressure ko mataas. That could be another thing. I don't know. I don't have a ano dito. Ay, yung parang anong tawag doon? Yung pang-measure ng blood ba? Ano yung tawag doon? Ewan ko kung ano yung tawag. Basta, you know what I mean. Wala din akong ganyan. So, I cannot measure my blood. Wala naman akong temperature. I really think na this is just my migraine coming back. Which is, I'm hoping talaga mga palangga na sana, hindi sana siya bumalik. Kasi pag ganito, nananakaw talaga ako pag nagsasuffer ako ng headache. Masakit talaga. Kung alam nyo lang yung na-experience ko, masakit. Pinipilit ko lang na keep going kasi if sa bed lang ako palagi, mas lalong sumasakit yung katawan ko pag I just still lay in bed. Kasi ako, yung headache ko, pag I stay in bed, nagiging okay siya kasi hindi ako gumagalaw. Pero yun na nga, pag I just stay in bed for the whole entire day, yung katawan ko sumasakit. So, it's no-no. So, balitaan ko kayo tomorrow kung ano yung sasabihin nila. if makakakuha ba tayo ng appointment, yung physical na appointment talaga ba. So, matutulog na kami mga palangga kasi yung oras dito is 10 to 10 na. Matutulog na ako. So, I'll see you tomorrow, ha? Bye. Mwah.
The next day.
Alright, I'm calling the doctor. So, I managed to call the clinic, and as I expected, I cannot get an appointment, yung physical appointment talaga. So, they're gonna give me a ring. The doctor will give me a ring. So, we'll just see what's what mga palangga. I bet na yung doctor, sasabihin nila na just take plenty of rest. I don't know. So, tinawagan na nila ako mga palangga. She was very nice. Yung nurse practitioner na nakausap ko, she's very like calm, and sabi niya na yung headache daw na na-experience ko ngayon, it's more, or it sounds more of like a stress. It doesn't appear na yung migraine mo, it's coming back, which is good na sinabi niya yan, kasi ayaw ko talaga bumalik yung migraine ko, yung migraine na na-experience ko when I was in my teens, kasi that was so painful. So, sabi niya, drink plenty of water, try to do things that can help ease the pain, and then again, if it won't help or it get worse, we need to see you physically. So, yun yung sabi niya. So, I just need to try to keep myself calm and take plenty of rest, kasi yun na nga, babalik na ako sa trabaho. So, yun. Yun lang. Yan lang yung update ko sa inyo. I need to get rest. Good morning! Good morning mga palangga! No, hindi. Hindi na dito good morning. It's already afternoon here, and ngayon lang ako nag-vlog kasi ngayon lang ako nabuhay. Ngayon lang ako nagmukhang tao kasi kanina talaga and yesterday nag-focus lang talaga ako sa aking assignments, aking practical investigation, and today pinas ko siya. So, I'm done with it. So, nabunutan na tayo ng tinik mga palangga. Well, hindi pa. Kasi after nito, meron pa akong exam. But itong exam na to, ito yung pinakalas na exam ko na kailangan kong i-take for this diploma. So, wish me luck. And hindi ko pa alam kung kailan yung date. Ang alam ko lang is meron akong exam. Nandoon kasi siya sa timetable ko. Hindi talaga siya timetable. It's called individual learning plan. It looks like a timetable. Sino yung tumatawag? Hindi ko alam. Baka customer yan ni Jan. Hindi ko siya sinasagot kasi yung tawag na yan, nagko-connect yan sa phone ni Jan. So, para lang siyang timetable, pero it's a bit different. So, yun yung pinagkakaabalahan ko. Hindi ako confident sa work or sa assignment ko ngayon kasi yun na nga, first time ko itong ma-encounter, and it's a lot of words to find. For me, I find it a lot, 6,000 words. So, anyway, ano ba yung gagawin natin? Si Mr. nag-request siya na magluto daw ako ng biko, pero wala siguro tayong, parang wala tayong coconut milk mga loves. Hindi ako sure. Pagpasensya nyo na sa lips ko, ha? Yeah, wala tayong coconut milk ngayon. Next time na lang siguro. Si Mr. gustong-gusto niya yung biko. Tingnan nyo. Meron akong brown rice dito. Nagkamali ako kasi nung nang-grocery ako, when was that? Basta nang-grocery ako sa Tesco. And then, sa listahan ko, nakalagay talaga siya, ground rice. So, request yun ni Bianan ha. So, sabi ko, ground rice? Parang wala akong nakitang ground rice sa Tesco. So, ako, parang nagda-doubt ako. Ground rice ba talaga or brown rice yung narinig ko? So, kumuha na lang ako ng brown rice pero nagtingin din ako kung meron ba silang ground rice at wala silang ground rice. So, brown rice yung kinuha ko just to be in the safe side na baka hindi ko masyadong narinig yung sinabi ni Bianan. Pero, yeah, she requested a ground rice which they don't have. Pupunta lang tayo sa labas mga palangga para makahinga-hinga na naman ako. Hindi na masakit yung ulo ko, which is I am very happy. Maganda yung weather ngayon. Tinawagan ko pala yung optician malapit dito sa amin mga palangga para sana mapabook ng appointment for my eye check-up. Pero sabi nila hindi pa talaga sila tumatanggap ng mga new customer. Kasi yun na nga sa mga pangyayari ngayon. So wala akong magagawa. Sabi nila na they will try to accept new patients around September. So kailangan natin maghintay around September. So sinabi ko sa kanya kung ano yung iniindang sakit ko. So sabi niya na just avoid using a lot of gadget. Yun yung sabi. Diba, Pipa? Hello, Mr. You seems very busy.
I'm having problems.
Oh, oh dear. Be careful, sweet. Do you want me to get that? No?
No, it's fine. It's just that. I've had the door top in without the glass and I couldn't put the glass in and I can't. It's so tight for some reason, I don't know.
So, he is installing the other door right now kasi yung isa, it's already done.
Very pink clips.
Very pink clips. Is there something I can do?
Yeah, just push this piece of glass for me, just there.
Ito pala yung gusto ko pakita sa inyo nung naglalakad kami. First time ko siyang napansin na meron siyang mga pink-pink. May mga pagka-pink ba ito? Diba? Ang palagi ko kasi nakikita, white lang. Nandito na naman si Pipa. Last time na I'm trying to show you this, hindi talaga siya ano. Pipa, sandali lang. I'm just showing them the flower. Yan. Okay, I will leave you to it.
Okay.
Bye. I'm just visiting you.
Eh?
I'm just visiting you what you're doing.
Put the radio back on.
Put the radio back on. Si Mr. Pag nagtatrabaho yan, dapat talaga. Did I turn it on? Yeah. Pag si Mr. nagtatrabaho, naka-turn on talaga yung radio. Tino-turn off ko siya pag nandoon ako sa workshop kasi baka makapiright tayo. Yung tinanim natin na carrots, parsnips, or green beans, feeling ko walang tumubo mga loves. Walang tumubo. Wala talagang patay talaga siguro to mga palangga. Wala talagang tumutubo sa kanya. At yung grapes natin, tingnan natin yung grapes. Parang patay talaga siya ay. Nung dumating to, sobrang ano nito. It looks so healthy. Pero ngayon, it's dead. Kawawa. So, dito ko na-end yung vlog natin for today mga palangga. So, maraming salamat talaga sa walang sawang pagmamahal at suporta mga palangga. Maraming salamat talaga. Gusto ko lang sabihin sa inyo na next week, babalik na ako sa trabaho. So, yung vlog natin, probably magiging every other day na. Mostly naman talaga sa vlog natin or nag-a-upload ako most of the time every other day talaga. Kasi yun na nga, nagtatrabaho ako, may pag-aaral pa, and may pagba-vlog pa. So, every other day. Pero, starting sa May ata, most sa upload ko naging everyday kasi naka-holiday ako sa trabaho for 5 weeks. So, yun na, parang nakaluwang-luwang na sa schedule. Pero yun na nga, babalik ako sa trabaho. So, wag kayong ma-alarma kung yung vlog natin magiging every other day. Well, magiging lucky nga if yung vlog natin magiging every other day. Kasi, yun na nga, you never know. Yung katawan natin, kailangan din nating alagaan. Mostly na ayaw ko ding, ano ba, biglain yung katawan ko. Kasi, alam niyo naman na I just have a bad headache for like almost a week siguro yung headache na yun. And right now naman mga palangga, thanks God, wala naman akong headache na nafe-feel. So, I'm just taking my time slowly. I'm just taking a rest kasi yun na nga, big day ngayong Thursday. Thursday ako babalik sa trabaho. So, so, yun na mga palangga. So, I'll see you in my next vlog. And, gusto ko lang din ibalita sa inyo kasi some of you were saying na yun na nga, baka sa mata ko. So, tinawagan ko nga yung opticians dito, pero unlucky, hindi sila nagtatanggap ng new patients. So, ang ginawa ko, nag-order na lang ako ng glasses online. Nag-order ako sa Fermo. I'm pretty sure most of you know what's Fermo brand kasi marami akong nakikitang YouTuber na nagre-review dito. So, nag-order ako ng glasses, yung blue light blocking glasses. So, yung parang nagpo-protect sa eyes mo ba pag nagko-computer ka or nag-gadget ka. So, yun yung in-order ko. I don't know kung kailan ko siya matatanggap. Pero, yan, nag-order ako. Meron naman mga glasses na nabibili dito sa pharmacy na ganyang type ng glasses. Pero, mahal siya. So, dito na lang tayo sa Fermo kasi more affordable. So, let's see na lang. Titingnan natin kung gaano kaganda yung quality. Hindi to sponsored ha. Gusto ko lang sabihin to sa inyo kasi some of you were very concerned na dapat daw magpatingin sa mata. Dapat daw magpatingin sa doktor. Pero, very unlucky ngayon mga palangga kasi yun na nga. Dahil sa pandemic, dito sa UK, I would say na yung virus, humihina na siya. Well, yung mga number sa death, naglo-low na siya. Pero yung naging mga positive, tumataas kasi meron silang ginagawang testing dito. Nagtitesting sila, I think nililimit nila or they have a target around 100,000 na testing a day. I'm not sure, don't quote me for that, but yun lang yung parang naririnig ko sa balita. So, yun. So, mag-ingat po tayong lahat and I'll see you in my next vlog. Bye! Mwah! Mwah! Bye mga palangga!